Hi, it's Barbara from Miller's Floral Design. Today we're going to do an arrangement in dried, and there's also some artificial flowers in it as well, which look like dried flowers, which are really nice. This design, what I've done, I've wedged the vase, I've actually wedged the oasis in the bottom. So I'm just going to get like varying heights with this. You can put them all one height if you like, but today I'm going to bring them down. I've got this lovely Honesty. My mum grows this in the garden, but I've actually bought this in, and it's a lovely like pinky shade, which just adds a little bit of colour. This design is to actually go onto a floor. So if you've got a nice bare corner, you can put this on the floor. You can do any height you want, but obviously the taller you go, the taller your vase will have to be. Got these lovely, they look like the Banksia, the fresh ones. Sorry about it is blowing a little bit. We're in the garden at the moment, so it's just holding off the rain. You can have a go yourself with something like this. If you've got your own vase, just buy all the bits to go with it. Any good florist will sell you all the bits to go with it, you know, your oasis and things like that. But failing that, if you really have a go, if you can't manage it, if you go into your local florist, they will, if you take your own vase in and buy all the dried from them, they will actually design it for you. This is some kind of artificial foliage because I think it just adds a little bit of colour to it. I'm just going to put that around the bottom. Nice thing with the dried, it is very, very stiff, so you can only really go upwards with it. But when you put some of the mixed silk round with it, which looks realistic, and you can actually bend that into shape, you know, to give you a bit more of a shape. Best thing of this will last for such a long time. I'm just going to place that around the bottom to kind of cover the top of the vase. And if you can see, I'm like picking the colours out in the vase so that it all matches. And also, your florist can advise you, a good thing to do is actually take some, if you've redecorated, take a bit of wallpaper in with you into the florist, and then if she hasn't got anything in, they will get it in for you. You know, make you a lovely design to tone with your wallpaper. And sometimes if you've got flowers in the wallpaper, it's a floral design, they can sometimes get the same flowers in the artificial, so everything tones in. I'm just going to turn it round now so you can see it from all sides. The dried is really in at the moment. It seems to come round in. I can remember like 40 years ago the dried was very much in then. It's making a real big comeback, and I think it does. It looks really natural. I'm going to put this other leaf in because I think it just needs something at this other side. And then I'm just going to put a few of these little rabbit's tails in. This one, now these, I like these in a little group. Rather than putting them all in individually, I think it gives more impact when they're put in a group. As you can see, I'll just turn it round. I'm going to put 3 lots of these in, just going round. And can you see how it gives you all the different textures? I think it's really nice there. A bit messy, so you will. I'd do it in the kitchen if it's tiled, because it can get messy when you're making all these. And now it just feels it just needs something there, so I'm just going to put that sort of thing. Let's have a little group of those again around the side. There you go. So that's it finished. You can see it all the way around. You can add more in it if you wish, but I think it looks quite nice when there's not too much in it. So like I say, you can either have a go yourself. If you've got an old vase, go to your florist and they'll give you sell you some oasis to go in, and then buy all the bits to it. Or like I say, you can go into your local florist and they can help you with it, or they can take your vase in and they'll arrange it for you. So that's it. Thank you. See you again.